For those who might be having problem with their water heater not coming on, I had a problem with this, in which this control panel was just not switching on at all. So no matter what you did, you flicked it on, off, turn the water heater on, it would not turn on. There was no noise from the igniter or anything of that sort. So to diagnose it, I opened up the cabinetry over here, took off this top cover here, which is held on by 2 screws. There were 2 screws here as well, and then this opens up. This reveals the PCB from over here. This plugs into there. That's your igniter, and that's your transformer. So when I pulled it out, I found that the fuse had blown. It's a 1.6 amp slow blow fuse, or timed fuse. That fuse was basically blown. So I replaced it with a brand new fuse. I don't know if you can see that, but it instantly blew up. Trace back to where the problem was. Couldn't see anything obvious on the board. No burnt parts, no signs of damage, no bulging capacitors or dry joints. So eventually, after testing wiring, which I'll show you now, so that's the control panel wiring. This is the plug that goes onto the PCB. This is the plug that goes onto the switch. This one here goes onto the back of there. So what I found was, between the white, the yellow and the gray, there was a short somewhere in the wiring itself. So somewhere in the wiring there's a short. So I've cut each of these patch leads. I'll just join them up just as a short patch lead and just test it to see if it's still blowing the fuse, and we'll go from there. So as you can hear, it's lighting now, and now there's heat coming out of the vent on the other side. So it turns out the wiring was faulty and short somewhere. Upon diagnosing the faulty wiring loom from the control panel to the PCB, I've gone ahead and ordered a complete new loom from Truma. I'll get this installed and everything should be fine from there. So I hope this video was of some help to someone. If it was, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out, and I'll be uploading more videos like this in the future. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.